Hey Amazon sellers! Want to know if a product is really profitable before you invest? The Helium 10 Profitability Calculator makes it super easy, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. To install the extension, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Helium 10 Chrome extension, and click Add to Chrome. Once it's added, make sure you're logged in to your Helium 10 account, even a free account works. The Helium 10 Chrome extension gives you real-time insights right on Amazon's website, no need to open a separate tool. First, head over to Amazon.com and search for a product in your niche. Let's say I'm selling yoga mats. Once the search results load, you'll want to click on the Helium 10 Chrome extension icon at the top right of your browser. Click it, and then click on Profitability Calculator. The calculator will autofill key info like product dimensions, weight, and category fees. You can manually adjust things like your product cost, inbound shipping cost, target selling price, and the tool instantly calculates Amazon referral fees, FBA fees, your net profit, ROI and profit margins. This saves you from spreadsheets and guesswork. It gives you confidence before you commit to sourcing a product. You'll know exactly how much you'll make, or lose, on every sale. Want to try Helium 10? Use the link in the description for the best discount available online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a powerful Amazon selling tip.